Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to save Google Docs document to files on iPhone. So first of all, go ahead to your browser. And basically, if you want to save Google documents, open the doc, click the three dots at the top right, click share and export, and then click send a copy, and then choose either PDF, then select OK, and then choose the destination save to files, and then choose the location. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go back to my screen. Right, let me close this window. Right, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and open up the Google Drive right here, and basically you're gonna see the PDF in the documents right here. So let's focus on the documents. So let's say for example I want to download this one. Right, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click the three dots right here at the top right, and basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna scroll a little bit down right here, and I'm gonna just go ahead and send a copy. Right, and by sending the copy, you're gonna send it either to other social medias, chats, whatever, or you can just save it to files. But unfortunately right here you won't see a button that allows you to. But if you close this window, click the three dots again, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just scroll a little bit down right here, and you can hit the download button. Right, and by clicking download button, you can save it as a PDF document. Right, by saving it, you could just save it right here to your files. Basically you're gonna be able to see it as a PDF file. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and we will definitely see you.